Today we've been out here at Bankhead National Forest with Wild Alabama doing a Primitive Tools Day. And I've got Lindsay here, the stewardship coordinator with Wild Alabama, and she's going to tell y'all a little bit about what Wild Alabama does and how you can get involved.
All right. Hi, everyone. I'm Lindsay Madison. I'm the Bankhead Stewardship Coordinator for Wild Alabama, and today we were doing some crosscut work. We use traditional tools out in the wilderness, primarily crosscut saws, which are really fun to use, not that hard to learn. We have volunteers who have never done it before who come out on the first day and actually crosscut saw with a 6-foot long crosscut saw that was made long before I was born. So that was really exciting. We cut about 5 trees today, clearing the path on the trail.
Get to swing an axe.
Get to swing an axe. Get to use multiple tools, and sometimes Pulaskis, sometimes McLeod, hand saws. Sometimes even, a cant hook, which is like a cantilever. So we use all kinds of cool physics, not just tools, but our brains to actually do this work. And it's all for the sake of clearing the path so that people can get in here and enjoy this wilderness. And Wild Alabama tries to do that, but my job is a little bigger than just that. We also educate in leave no trace ethics. We get people certified as crosscut sawyers. We teach kids about the wildlife. We teach adults about the wildlife. So if you're up for a hike, there's multiple things that you can get involved in. So Wild Alabama has a website. It's the www.wildal.org. We're also on Facebook, so you can link us to Facebook if you search Facebook for Wild Alabama. We are based in Double Springs, Alabama. It's where our office is, a small staff of 6 people, but we include volunteers from everywhere, from Tennessee, Mississippi, even from Florida. So we've got a huge group, over a couple thousand volunteers on our roster. And if you want to get in on this and not just go to the Sibsey or Talladega National Forest or Duggar Mountain Wilderness, if you want to actually participate in helping to preserve those places, then come see us. And if you're not sure, come see us and we'll convince you.
Yeah. Talk to Lindsay. She can help you out. And it always is a good thing to give back to the places that we come to see and love, especially when it's free. So if you feel like it, definitely check it out. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Appreciate y'all.